Hello, this video is for those of you working on the l sound. So when I say that sound, my tongue is lifted up. You can either place it on your teeth or just right behind your top teeth, but it should be lifted up. So what I want you to do is just listen to me say these sounds. So I'm going to say L at the beginning of words, L in the middle of words, and L at the end of words. So just listen. We are not talking during this time. We are only listening. Leg, log, lame, lap, lip, last, loop, laugh. L in the middle. Belly, mellow, follow, pillow, color, balloon, taller, gallon, and then L at the end. Ball, fell, call, mail, trail, crawl, pal, fool. Next, I want you to practice in isolation. So I say and then you say. Ready? Ul, 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 ul. Next, we're going to practice in short syllables. So we're going to add a vowel to our ul sound. So lee, lie, low, loo, eel, I'll, ol, ool. And now in the middle of words, eely, eily, oli, ooly. Now we're going to say some words. So we'll move to the word level. So we'll start at the beginning, in the middle, and then at the end. So I say, then you say. I'll point. Leg, log, lame, lap, lip, last, loop, laugh, belly, mellow, follow, pillow, color, balloon, taller, gallon, and last at the end of words, ball, fell, call, mail, trail, crawl, pal, fool. Next we'll do phrases. So typically we use words like I see, I want, my, I have, before the target word. So I say and then you say. So my leg, my log, my lap, my lip, my laugh. Now in the middle of words, my belly, I follow, my pillow, my color, my balloon. Now at the end of words, my ball, I fell, I call, my mail, my pal. Lastly, we'll do sentences. So typically we generate our own sentences using the target word, so I'm just going to create my own, and you can create your own just as long as they are complete and grammatically correct. Okay, I'll start with L at the beginning of words. I jumped on a log. I sit on mom's lap. I have 2 lips. I got last place. I like to laugh. In the middle of words, I like to follow my dog. I sleep on a pillow. I like to color with purple. My balloon is bigger. I bought a gallon of ice cream. And now the L at the end of words. That's my ball. I fell off the slide. I can call my mom. I will mail the letter. The baby is crawling. So as long as you follow the progression, so listening or first talking about how we say the sound, just listening to the sounds, saying them in isolation, putting them into syllables, saying them at the word level, then putting them into short phrases, and then creating our own sentences using the words. So I hope you find this helpful. Have a great day.